We asked 100 people, name an animal that comes out at night.
A bat.
A bat. Bat. Okay. Okay, a bat. Is a bat on the board? Our survey says yes. So, what are you thinking?
Owl.
An animal that comes out at night. An
Owl.
owl.
Say so, yeah.
An owl. Ooh, that's pretty close. An owl. Is an owl on the board? Our survey said top answer. Top answer. Okay. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to play or are you going to pass it to the Russell family?
We're gonna pass.
You're going to pass. Okay, back to your families. Ladies, you can start to compare. Russell family, name an animal that comes out at night.
I'm going to say hedgehog.
One of those hedgehogs. Okay. Is the hedgehog up there? Our survey said? Yes! Name an animal that comes out at night.
Badger.
A badger.
Badger.
A badger. Okay, is a badger on the boards? Our survey said?
Oh,
Badger.
Well done.
Three lives
got
left.
this.
One answer remaining on the board. What animal comes out at night?
Foxes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well done.
Gotta be.
All right. If a fox is there, guys, you smash it and you go through the big money rounds.
Fingers crossed.
Okay? So it's all down to a fox.
Yeah.
Is your fox on the board? Our survey said? Well done, Russell family.
Well done.